Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Shajid Hussain. My unique ID is 149. Today we will learn the pivot table analysis. So simply go to the next slide, data, and here we can see uh, a column and rows named ID number, date, product, region, sales method, price per unit, cost per unit, quantity, revenues, and expenses, and the informations and values are over there. So if we want to select the pivot chart analysis, so we have to select the ID number, then shift, control, right arrow, and the down arrow, and then go to insert pivot table. So here is a pop-up, pivot table from table or range. So the range is automatically selected. We just simply press OK. Here you can see another pop-up, pivot table fields, and that is in the right hand side. So we just simply select the ID number, date, product, region, sales method, price per unit, cost per unit, quantity, revenues, and expenses. Here you can see a pivot table analysis named row labels, sum of ID numbers, sum of price per unit, sum of cost per unit, sum of quantity, sum of revenues, and sum of expenses are there presented. So if we want to see only revenues and expenses, we just simply deselect the other stuffs. Okay, here you can see only the revenues and expenses. So now select the revenues and expenses, then simply go to the insert, recommended chart, and column, simply press OK. Here you can see a pivot chart analysis over there, the ID numbers, the sum of revenues and expenses over there. So this is the bar chart, and if we want to see the pivot chart slicer, so we just simply select the insert slicer and selecting the revenues and expenses. Okay, so the two pop-up games named revenues and expenses. If you want to select the revenue options, the first option, here you can see massive changes over there. If you select the second one, another change, it indicates the months where the sales is about, the revenues is about 33,412. So if we go to the expenses, there is automatically selected 6548 number, and here you can see the file is automatically changes. So I hope this video is more informative, and thank you very much. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.